I put this on there, but it comes without it. Oh, I didn't know it had light.
The sheriff told me to call you.
Well, this would have been a good blade, except this blade is the only one that fits in 2 of these holes. These don't fit in any of these. So, and that's all that comes with, these 3 sizes. So that's pointless. So yeah, so this is the thing. I put it in here, and it's supposed to kind of like lock in. It slides out. This one fits in there snug. This one fits in there snug. Nothing fits in this one. This one feels loose. So, and this is loose. So that's the point. It only comes with these 3 sizes, and only one of them fits in 2 of the holes, and these, I can't even use them. Very upsetting.
Just opened it. I'm opening all the parts. Look at this charger. Why is that rusted like that? Are you freaking kidding me? Looks like it was used already too.
In the way that he regards himself, the way he treats other people, the way he conducts himself as a citizen in this world.
Look, brand new. I haven't even touched it. I just took everything out. Ridiculous.
There you go. Meet requirements, I hope. Thank you.